After completion of exam name creation, now we will go through the exam timetable. Click on exam module, then click on exam timetable. Now click on plus new. Select the exam name which you want to give and select the class for which you need to give this exam timetable and select the section. Now you must select status as active only. Then for these allow parents view answer sheet, whether you can put or yes or no, depends on your personal opinion. Allow parents upload answer sheet. If you are going to conduct online exam, then keep it as yes. If you are going to conduct offline exam, then keep it as no. Allow download question paper minutes, which means if you are going to conduct exam from 9:30 and if you are given here 3 minutes, then the students are able to see the question paper from the 9:27. It's like 3 minutes before the timings. And this is the timings for uploading the answer sheet after the completion of exam also. So if the exam is going to complete by 12:30, if you have given here 3 minutes, then they are able to upload the answer sheet up to 12:33. Now select the date. Select the subject. Given the maximum marks for that subject and order, which means in which place it need to come in the place of entering exam score. I have given as 3, so that it will come on the third place for entering the exam score. Repeat the same procedure for all subjects. After completion of creating all subjects, click on save. Now you are able to see here print option, which will give you the hall tickets. Now you can able to see the hall tickets.